an UrbanSketch Plus member is really, really good because I find it hard to make time to do my sketching, and what happens is you're anticipating the dates through the months when we've got things coming up again, and it does actually make me sit down and do it, which is a big achievement because life gets in the way.
Teaches it in a way that I think anybody can understand. He breaks it down. He's a lot of fun. It's engaging.
Perspective particularly I found quite difficult, but I've learnt from that, especially the way Ian puts the pens on the page. I find that really helpful.
When I'm with him online or direct, I take a little of his looseness, his having fun, and this helps me for my work at home.
Draw what you see. Like, just draw what you see, and if it doesn't come out perfect, it's okay, because practice is going to help you get better.
Just jump in and do it. And having the step-by-step instructions is so helpful.